Sairam everyone. Today we are at Mohini Raj Temple at Nevasa, which is about 75 kilometers from Shirdi, and it takes about 1.5 hours to travel to this place from Shirdi. Now, what's the connection between this place and our Baba? We have seen in an earlier video that Sri Bivi Dev, who was an ardent devotee of Baba, asked Baba why he is calling this masjid as Dwarka Mai. Baba responds, "Look around this place and you will find the answer." BV Dev does research for 6 years and finds that Samudra Manthan took place around Shirdi only. There are places around Shirdi like Shukracharya Temple, Rahuri, Ratangad, etc., which are closely associated with Samudra Manthan. One thing that happened during Samudra Manthan is the distribution of Amrit, and the distribution was done by Lord Vishnu in his Mohini avatar. The distribution was done here at Nevasa only, and this is the temple of Mohini Raj at Nevasa. In addition, before coming to Shirdi, Baba stayed at the temple at Nevasa, the temple in which Jnaneshwar Maharaj dictated Jnaneshwari, and it was transcribed by Sachidananda, as we have mentioned in the previous video. We have also shared with you in the previous video that Baba actually stayed at Nevasa for about a year. This Mohini Raj temple is about 5-6 kilometers from that temple. Deepak also says that Vinima told him often that the Mohini Raj temple is very ancient and Baba might have visited the Mohini Raj temple, though there is no recorded evidence for Baba coming here. Baba told one of his devotees, Appa Kulkarni, to come here and pray. Some people think Appa Kulkarni is a bad character after seeing movies and serials, and also that he troubled Baba a lot. This is actually incorrect. Appa Kulkarni is a strong devotee of Baba and also a law-abiding village official, and he was doing his duty. Appa Kulkarni got into trouble once. There was a court case against him that he swindled money belonging to the government. This actually was a big issue at that time, and people started speaking bad about him. The court hearings were held at Nevasa. Kulkarni goes to Baba and says, "Baba, you know that I have done nothing wrong. Because of circumstances, I am getting dragged into this," and ask Baba to protect him. Baba tells him, "Do not worry. When you go to Nevasa to the court, go to the Mohini Raj temple, take darshan at the temple, and then go to the court." As per Baba's words, Appa Kulkarni used to come to this temple to pray before going to court hearings. He was eventually cleared of the charges by the British government. People from Shirdi actually carried Appa Kulkarni back to Shirdi to Baba after he got cleared of all the charges on him. This is the temple which Baba asked Appa Kulkarni to go and pray. This incident is published in Sai Leela magazine. In addition, the description of the video contains the link to the video which answers the question why Baba chose Shirdi, as found out by Sri BV Dev. It has also references to Samudra Manthan and Sri Shukracharya temples and other topics as well. So please watch those videos as well, and thank you for watching this one. God bless all. Om Sai Ram. Om Sai Ram.